Hello students, welcome to the virtual class. Today we are going to discuss how to write in a science manual. You can see there's a page. First is index. There are various headings. We have to fill serial number. Then the objective means name of the experiment. Then the page number and then the signature. After this, we will come on to our experiment writing. As you can see, I had prepared a board out there. One side is plain and the second one is lined. If you open your lab manual, you will find pages just like this. One side will be plain and other will be lined. On the plain side, remember, write only with pencil. Never use pen on that side. And on the line sheet, you can use blue pen and black pen. Black pen you can use for the headings and blue pen for the other content. First we will talk about the plain sheet, what you have to write on that sheet. First is aim of the experiment. Whatever is the motive behind doing the experiment is to be written in aim of experiment. Then the second heading comes material required. Whatever material we have used while performing that experiment, we have to write that under this heading. Then third one, diagrams related to that experiment on any table. It has to be written in this heading. Then the fourth one is observations. Under this heading, you have to write what you have observed while doing the experiment. Then the fifth one is the result or the conclusion. Either write result or the conclusion which we get after doing that experiment. This all has to be written with only pencil. And one tip for you people, avoid using colors in the lab manual. It should be decent. It should not look like an art book. Then this was all about the plain sheet. Now coming on to the line sheet. As you can see, I have written on the top experiment number 1 you will start with. You have to write that. Then again same heading you have written on the plain sheet also, aim of the experiment. Here you have to use pen. Remember this is a heading. You can use black pen for this one and the other content you can write with the blue pen. Then the next headings, material required. Again I have discussed this thing. Third one is the procedure. Procedure means what are the steps which you have followed, how you have performed that experiment. That is to be going under this heading. We have to write this. Then the precautions. Fourth one is precautions. What precautions we have to take while performing the experiment so that our results, they come out to be approximately right. As far as possible, it should be correct. Conclusion should be there. No? So what precautions we have to undertake while performing that, we have to write under this heading. Then the fifth one is result and the conclusion. You have to write under the next heading. Now I hope you will able to write a very decent formed practical in your notebooks, and you have to make it very neat and clean. It should be very neat and tidy. Now you can write, you can consult your manual. There every experiment contains same headings which we have discussed here. You have to fill that one. After your vacations, we will be performing these experiments in the school. When school will be opened, we are going to perform that one. And if you are very eager, you can also perform the experiment which you can perform with the material you are having during your vacation at home.